Hey, good looking. You want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going down memory lane, and I am making one of my mama's favorite recipes that she always was so famous for making. And believe me, her grandkids love this dessert, and it's always made in my family. So grab a hold of that vine and swing onto my kitchen and learn how to make chocolate eclair torte. Well, hey, good looking. I'm so glad you came to my kitchen today because I'm going to do one of my mom's no-bake desserts. Now, this is known in my family as chocolate eclair torte, or some people know it also as chocolate eclair cake. So whatever you want to call it, you call it what you want to call it, but in my family it's chocolate eclair torte. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get started. I have myself out a large mixing bowl. Now inside that we're going to be adding one large family size packet, or pick up 2 of the 3-ounce packages of vanilla pudding, and let's add that to our bowl. Now we're going to be needing 3 cups milk. Now let's go ahead and mix that all up as you would if you were mixing up pudding. Now we're just going to allow that to stiffen up a little bit. As you see, I have all the whipped cream in, and now we're just going to sit there and fold it all into our pudding mixture until our pudding mixture turns to a lighter shade of the yellow that it is. And trust me, you want to try to keep as much air into the whipped cream, so don't over stir it. You want to fold it. Alright, let's give you a good look. And as you see, that's how I want yours to look. So let's just toss that over to the side. I'm going to sit there and put this off to the side. Bring my dish on down. And we're going to sit there and put a layer of graham crackers. And I'm using the Honey Maid ones. And I'm going to open up my package and lay down a layer of graham crackers. Alright, I opened up my package, and now I'm just going to sit there and layer it down throughout the whole bottom of my dish here. Now, when you get to this part, you're going to have to break your graham crackers and make it fit into your dish. And it's okay if they break. They're going to soften it. Nobody's going to know that it was a broken cracker. So, I'm going to finish layering the bottom of my pan here with my crackers. Okay, let's bring back our pudding mixture, and you're going to want to spread a layer all down on the bottom of these graham crackers. Now you're going to want at least 2 to 3 layers of graham crackers in this pudding mixture before we put the final decadent topping on. So I already have this in now. Let's spread this all out. So I'll be back as soon as I'm all done spreading this all out. Alright, I spread it all out. Let's grab our graham crackers, and you know it, we're gonna sit there and put another layer down. So I'll see you as soon as I'm all done putting my crackers down on the bottom. Alright, I have another layer of graham crackers down, and let's put another layer of our pudding mixture down, and you're going to want to spread that out as well. So I'll see you when we're all done. And here's it all spread out. Now go ahead, place another layer. Okay, we put another layer of the graham crackers down. Now we're gonna grab the last of our pudding mixture, and we're gonna sit there and put it all evenly across the top of these graham crackers. So I'll be back as soon as we're all done doing that. You're going to want to sit there and take a tub of frosting, or go ahead and make your own, but I'm doing my mom's recipe. Now, my mom always used the tub frosting, so I'm going to stick with the recipe that my mom has out there. So I'm going to go ahead. Now I'm going to stick this in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to soften it up, so it's really easy for us to sit there and spread it throughout our dessert dish. Okay, Chef Mike has just handed it back off to me, and now we can sit there and just give it a good stir. Okay, now let's just sit there and try to evenly pour it out. That way it makes spreading it out easier. Now let's sit there and make sure you get it all the way to the edges. Now all that's required, put that in the fridge for a few hours to allow everything to harden up and to settle, and serve it. That's all that's required besides enjoying it. And the next time we're going to be seeing this is after a few hours of it being in the refrigerator. Now, if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. I love hearing what each and every one of you all have to say. If you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. And y'all come back now, you hear?